Hi students, welcome to our 5th online lecture of English. Today I'll explain you formal letter writing which will be for 4 marks according to the board's paper pattern. Now let us understand what is a formal letter. A formal letter is written for official purposes. The tone of the letter is serious with literal meanings and it includes letters written to institutions, government departments, business letters, etc. In simple words, we can say that formal letters are the way to communicate your perception of a serious issue. Now let us learn the format for the formal letters. Formal letters are the letters to the editors, mayors, police, officers, etc. Here we begin with the format. Formal letters will have the sender's address at the top on the left hand side. For example, house number, sector, city, etc. Followed by the date you are writing the letter on. Example, 17th October 2014 or 19 or 20. And then the receiver's address. For example, the editor, the name of the newspaper, city, etc. Students, keep in mind that the sender will be the person who is writing the letter and the receiver is the person who is being addressed. Now this will be followed by the salutation, again on the left hand side. For example, sir or madam. Always leave a line after sender's address and date, receiver's address and then salutation. Remember that while writing the salutation, if not sure about the gender, always write sir. Now, after leaving a line, mention the subject. In subject, mention the problem being faced, which should be written in short, that is 6 to 8 words. All this is then followed by the body of the letter. Body of the letter will be mentioned in 3 to 5 paragraphs. The first paragraph is introduction part. Here students, you have to introduce yourself and the problem in brief. The next part is main content. In this main content, you have to mention the causes and the effects of the problem. Then again, we have to come towards conclusion. In conclusion, suggestions or measures for solving the problem should be written. Then mention thanking you. Leave a line after each paragraph in the body of the letter. Leave a line after thanking you. Then write yours faithfully or truly. Then your signature or name. Remember, when your name is not mentioned in the question, always write XYZ or ABC. Do not write your own name. Now look at the sample question. Write a letter to a newspaper editor highlighting the condition of the roads in your area and suggest suitable measures. Now see in this letter how you have introduced the person first along with the problem, followed by the detail of the problem one is facing, followed by the solution that could be provided. Now let us see the sample of the formal letter. 7G Rainbow Colony, MG Road, Dharavi Crossroad, Dharavi, Mumbai 400017, 5th March 2016. The editor, The Times newspaper, Fort, Mumbai 400001. Subject, the bad condition of roads. Sir, this letter is to bring to your attention the bad condition of the roads in Subhash Nagar area. The roads are all broken up and filled with potholes causing accidents. These roads are unsafe for babies, children and old people. The streets are not lit. There are no light which keeps the streets in total darkness. This had led to robbery and assaults. Whatever is left of the streets is littered with dirt, garbage and excreta causing terrible stink and breeding of mosquitoes and other insects. I earnestly hope this letter to the municipal authorities brings some changes in the area. We would like the roads to be paved and made even. All garbage must be put in bins and collected by the municipal workers every morning. Steps must be taken to get rid of the mosquitoes and other insects. We hope to see improvement at your earliest. Yours truly, XYZ. I hope this clarifies your doubts about formal letter writing. Thank you.